Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. This patient's come through with lots of little bits of dry wax, but also a lot of dry skin tissue in here as well. So what you can see at the entrance here, all these little bobbly bits, we've got lots of layers of little dry skin and wax sort of layers built up throughout the canal there. So I'm just using the standard size ulnar tube because most of these things will usually be attached to one another. So if we can get this front section away here, it's going to make it a lot easier to get the rear section. But because you do have this skin layer underneath there, which is dried out as well, it's dried quite firmly against the canal wall. So it doesn't want to budge very easily. So we're just going to try and hold on to this side. See, as we unpeel it, can you see those skin layers peeling away from the canal wall underneath? That's what's anchoring all this into place. So we just need to start peeling some of these away, loosening them up a little bit. There we are. You can see it starting to loosen there now on that left-hand side. Just going for the right-hand side as well. See if we can loosen that section. Because you have to kind of hold on to the wax and then slowly pull it across from the right to the left just to try and get that little bit of a pull there. It's all held in quite tightly. So I'm going to use the Jobson horn and we're going to try and get behind just this front section of dry skin here. Obviously if we can get that moving away, then everything behind it's going to move with it. So I'm just going to slow this down a little bit just so you can see this coming away. So as we pull on this, you'll start to see it. There we go. We're taking that front right hand section away there. So that's taken that dry, but it's pulled everything else forward. So we're just going to get behind this front section here. And watch as we pull this out. I've slowed it down again now. We've got to bring this front section out. As we pull that forward, it's actually pulled the next section from the back in there a little bit further forward. So we're going to get behind that section, pull that down. There we go. You can see there's another piece further in, but it's got this whole front section's come away now with the Jobson horn. There we are, look at that coming away. All those dry skin pieces and dry wax pieces all bound together. So although it looked like lots of knobbly pieces, you can actually see a layer of that skin come away there. Let's see if we can just get behind this section. There we go. Let's pull that one forwards as well. Out it comes. You can see the layer of dry skin at the front end there, just in front of the camera. And just taking this rear section of skin away as well. There we go. All just pulling forward. It's actually twisted now. So what you're seeing there is actually what's at the back end of the wax. See how it's still holding on to the section behind? There we go. Nice big chunk of wax and skin there. So let's take a look behind. Eardrum there is looking a little bit on the dull side. So no light reflex at all there, you see. And that kind of bluey grey colour to it. So probably a little bit of middle ear fluid. So we've got just under 3.5 centimetres, just over 1.25 inches there as well. See these long bits of skin attached to it. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.